Welcome back to Overheat, Maserati Motorhome 2026, a moving symphony of luxury. External, Maserati's recognizable massive radiator grille with its illuminated Trident insignia is located on the front end. The use of lightweight, incredibly durable materials for the body, like aluminum, carbon fiber, and sophisticated composites. Large, elegantly multi-spoke forged alloy wheels are paired with high-performance tires that are specifically made to provide comfort and traction in a variety of road conditions. External storage spaces were incorporated into the design with ease. Along the body lines, ambient LED lighting is concealed. Flexible, thin solar panels that are mounted on the roof. Nearly the whole length of the RV is made up of large glass windows that let in unhindered views of the outside world. Interior, ergonomic sports seats will be installed in the driver's and front passenger seats. The dashboard is made up of a large OLED touchscreen. Because to its high degree of modularity, the living room design will accommodate many configurations as needed. It's possible that the sofa can move or electrically transform into an additional bed. Kitchen, full-size refrigerator, freezer with ice maker, convection oven, microwave. Modern induction cooktop, and integrated espresso coffee maker, smart storage, designer sink, soft close drawers, and cabinets with effective internal organizing, king-size bed with high-quality linens and a soft, orthopedic mattress, a wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted recessed flat-screen TV that is linked to a personal sound system, a high-performance hybrid drivetrain that combines power, efficiency, and low emissions is probably going to power the 2026 Maserati Motorhome all-wheel drive AWD system that adapts to different terrain conditions to provide the most traction. 5G enabled, high-speed Wi-Fi hotspot for streaming, remote work, and endless entertainment. Advanced security features include lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, automatic parking sensors, a 360-degree video, and an external surveillance system.